Let me show you how to change the batteries in your Pulse Oximeter. So if you want to change batteries in this device, you flip it over and you see we can simply, using your finger, pull this away. So again, as you see, simply pull it away and we can get access to the batteries. To remove the batteries, simply remove them. If you are wondering what kind of batteries this uses, then it uses a AAA battery, so AAA LR03. So not the biggest AA, but the smallest AAA. So to insert the battery, also you see, we have to pay attention to the polarity. We have plus and minus here. Okay, so we simply find the plus on our battery, so it will be here, and simply pop it in here. And the other one goes into the opposite direction. It's a plus on this side. And then we simply replace the cover, slide on, and as you see, our Pulse Oximeter is now working. Okay, good luck.